Because prime example, you left me and you left Just, right?
Yo, I didn't leave anybody. Yo, can you stop? Yo,
No,
can you
no, no, no,
stop
no, no, no,
spreading?
no, 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 no. No. This is a fact. You left me and you left Ty. Don't make me get Ty on the line. You left
All right,
me.
go. I'm trying to figure out where I left
You left me and you left
anybody.
Ty as far as support, even though you're saying you didn't. Building something we all started to go and hop on somebody else's bandwagon that made you comfortable. And that's a fact.
No, that's not a fact.
But you've done that plenty of times.
That's not a fact because um
Sometimes we just gotta stop arguing it. That's what I'm saying.
no, don't get me wrong. Like, there's some stuff you say that got merit to it, but then there's some stuff that your mind just run wild and that shit just don't stop. I
So
don't know why.
explain. So if you guys don't know the backstory, let me just give them a small backstory before you go. I swear I'll let you go. So basically, me and Mar in 2016, we started a business. Me, him, and his brother, which I call my brother too. We all brothers. We started a business. We were going crazy starting this business. The business kept going up and down. Wasn't making money. Was making money. Money wasn't being spent right. Then money was just obsolete because expenses were too high. Closed stores, open stores, closed stores, open stores. Mar ended up getting a job at one point because again he had things that he had to provide for, but he said that he was still building with the business, but was halfway in, halfway out. That was the first time. Second time, Mar got a large sum of money. Mar and me started to open up a store together, and we opened up the store together. Mar completely abandoned the store without telling me because he had certain things going on in his life that he had to get under control, and mentally he just wasn't in it. Then after that point, me and him stopped talking for a whole year. We got back together, started talking, became cool. I ended up pursuing that business again recently, and when Mar was on his year of me and him not talking, he decided to go a whole different route. I'm skipping the whole part, but that don't matter. He decided to go his whole different route, and now Mar is working with somebody different, um, occasionally, not full time or anything. But he has no parts, no, um, he hasn't supported. He hasn't had any type of part in the business that we all built together. Now you can go ahead, bro. That's just the backstory, so y'all know what he's talking about.
But at the end of the day, bro, what I'm saying is that this this store this store have nothing to do with anything, yo, regarding that. You feel me? Because that's what it seemed like. You just, I feel like that's like, yeah, you're like your target point. Yeah, you feel me? Your focus point is that, I got the store, then I stop supporting and things like that. Then I start supporting the other
Bet,
store
bet,
and
bet.
not that store. That, you feel me? But that's not the case at all.
Uh huh.
Like, that's really not the case. See what I'm saying?
So what you?
Because even before I even got to the store, I was still doing what I'm doing now. The only thing I'm doing different is that sometimes I would stop by the shop. But I'm still doing what I'm doing now. I'm still acting as I was acting before the store. See what I'm
Right.
saying? Nothing changed. You feel me? I said, yo, if you got a promotion, send me the promotion and I'll post it and I'll support. See what I'm saying? But that store didn't change nothing. You feel me? I just been so focused on my path this year. You feel me? At the beginning of this year, you know, I was just so focused. You feel me? And I was moving 100 speed, to 100 speed, 100 miles per hour,
Right. And did
and
you
I
slip?
start slowing down. You know, like, no pun intended, but there's a lot of electrical problems on the train. See what I'm saying? A lot of things that's definitely slowed me down. A lot of things I had to get renewed, had to fix.
You know what's something? You wanna know what I just don't? I think it is, bro. I just don't respect that you start something and don't finish it.
It's nothing. You feel me? I just been so focused on my path this year. You feel me? At the beginning of this year, you know, I was just so focused. You feel me? And I was moving 100 speed, to 100 speed, 100 miles per hour,
Right. And did
and
you
I
trip?
start slowing down. You know, like no pun intended, but there's a lot of electrical problems on the train. See what I'm saying? A lot of things that's definitely slowed me down. A lot of things I had to get renewed, had to fix.
You know what's something? You wanna know what I just don't? I think it is, bro. I just don't respect that you start something and don't finish it.